to Kazan!
Hello, do you have an IT startup? Let the world know about it. We are happy to welcome you to the third Kazan OIC Youth Entrepreneurship Forum.
Just click on Participate and join OIC Startup Platform. Once you have enrolled, you will be assigned a mentor. They will take you through the financial and technical experts. Once approved, you will be presented to an investor.
After being selected at the OIC Startup Platform, top 50 startups will be invited to the forum. Here they will find strategic partners, investors, speakers, and outstanding experts.
The third Kazan OIC Youth Entrepreneurship Forum is a joint initiative of OIC Youth Forum and the government of the Tatarstan under the ICYF DC's OIC Startup Platform project. It has been designed to realize and support the potential of Muslim youth entrepreneurs throughout the Islamic world.
We invite you on behalf of the government of the Republic of Tatarstan to the city of Kazan. The city of Kazan is the northern part of the Islamic world. The city of Kazan is the sport, yes, and IT capital of Russia.
Come to Tatarstan and enjoy the participation in the forum in Kazan Summit 2017. We are pleased to create a fruitful environment of experts and investors for you. I wish you a good luck.